Hi guys, welcome back. Another quick one. Look at this SunJoe Pressure Washer from Home Depot. I bought this because of the price. Well, let me tell you why I need it. Needed to clean some concrete, plan on doing some concrete work. So why not do it the right way? Get a pressure washer. Hope it's powerful enough. Plan on doing a real thorough job. Here go the accessories. Can't remember if I purchased the warranty on this. It's got a 2-year thing going on and let you know on the side. They know how long these things will last. And that depends on the warranty they offer. So after 2 years, you can probably forget about it. I'm cheap. Every now and then I learn my lesson on that stuff. But I thought I'd give it a try. Heard enough about SunJoe. Why not, right? Okay, well, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.